I'm okay
Come
with
on
my
in,
wet
of course, Santa.
Okay. I just thought I'd stop by for a couple minutes
Hi.
to see you two. I brought you something. First of all,
Hi, Santa.
there's Game Keys in there. Hi, buddy.
Did you see that?
Did you want a piece of candy?
Bebop. Hi, Blakey. Look and say hi, Santa.
Would you like a piece of candy?
Oh, thank
Okay,
you,
those are
Santa.
those are like cinnamon. Okay. So, how are you?
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you, Santa?
Myself.
What'd you bring, Santa?
I brought this for you.
Oh,
Mom needs a present too, right?
Thank you, Santa.
Why don't you come
Thank
here?
you, Santa.
You're welcome. Why don't you come here for a minute, buddy? Can I see you for a minute? Come here. No? Okay. Would you like to come
sit
here
with
and
Santa.
Tell me what you want for Christmas. All right. So what is your name? Danae, that is such a beautiful name. Oh, I'm telling you, that's a beautiful name. I brought you a...
Aww.
So what would you like for
Say
Christmas?
hi, Santa. Thank you.
You don't know, I have trouble making decisions myself when it comes to presents for me. I do. But the elf and Mrs. Claus takes very good care of me. Very.
Tell Santa what we're going to make for his reindeer.
They are going to be so happy. Now, do you know what the name is? Okay, do you want to say them with me? Okay, so we have Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen, right? That's it, right? Are you you forgot my favorite. What about Rudolph? Yeah, we can't forget Rudolph, can we? We can't forget about Rudolph. Well, I'll tell you what, you can think of one thing that you would like under that tree.